Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand new product from the company Aoocci. So this is an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay screen for motorcycles. So if you know, previously I have showcased these two products, the Aoocci C6 and the Aoocci BX. So I have used these products in the past, but now Aoocci has launched this brand new product, and this is a budget friendly device. This does not have a dash camera system, but it has TPMS and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So this is not for someone who is looking for a high-end device, but this is a budget-friendly device. The riders who are looking for a value for money device just for Android Auto and TPMS, this is the device to go for. And there is a very good Diwali offer that is going on where you will get 25% discount using my code PrakashSuraj25 on the Aoocci website. Not only on this product, on every product. So in this video, I am going to unbox this, show all the features and how does the Android Auto and CarPlay screen looks on this device. So you don't want to miss any part of this video, and hence let's get started with the video. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is how the box looks like. So there are two particular variants in C3 series. One is the C3 Pro and other is the C3 Plus. This is the C3 Plus, which gets the tire pressure monitoring system. If you want a further cheaper device, then you can go for the C3 Pro, which does not have the tire pressure monitoring system, and it costs around 2000 rupees less than this device. So the features of this device is mentioned over here. It's a 5-inch touchscreen compatible with Android Auto and CarPlay device. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It says Aoocci Learning Car Tech Solutions. The packing looks great. So this is our primary device. Looks premium. We will come to this later. First, let's see what all contents, what all accessories are there with this. So first thing is the wiring. So there is just a negative and a positive wiring which will connect to the battery to power this device, and there is a connector over here which will connect to the device directly like this. And next, this is the TPMS sensors which will be installed on the tire. There is a metal mount. Looks premium and has a vibration dampener to it so that the device does not get damaged while you are on the fly. And there are a couple of mountings. So these are all the mountings that you have. Even if your handle is wide or thin, there are various level of thickness adjustments which you can use in order to mount it. All the tools and the screws, everything is provided. So this is the toolkit, 3 Allen keys. There is a small screwdriver and couple of zip ties. You also have the instruction manual. You can see over here, this is the way. If this is your handlebar, you can install it like this, and there will be a distance piece which will connect to the vibration dampener, and finally the device. And you can mount it like this also. And there are various things. This also has app support. You can go through all these things later. So let me power on the device and show you. Now let me remove the main module. It looks like this. And so this is the screen. I think it has a screen guard pre-installed. Yes, there is a screen guard which is pre-installed. I already unboxed it, so forgive me for these fingerprints. But the build quality is great. This is not a metal. This is plastic, and it is very light. You can't expect much at this price. And this is the connector. So in order to connect it, you will have to use this power cable which is provided with it. The other end will go to the battery, and this end will connect like this. I have connected the device temporarily to this battery because I cannot connect it on my RS457 directly, because my RS457 already has this Aoocci BX device. So I'm just using this battery in order to power the device and show it to you guys. If you have to mount it, you should not mount it directly onto the battery. The positive has to be mounted on the ignition switch. So if you mount it directly onto the battery, you will not be able to switch off the device. So you have to mount it at a place which draws power only after the main switch is turned on. So that's how you should wire it. This is how the device looks after it is switched on. So So there are various options. On the left side you can see CarPlay and Android Auto. If you have Android device, this is the option that you will select. If you have an Apple device, you will select CarPlay, and this is just one time pairing that you have to do, and after that it will automatically get connected. So your phone device will get connected to it. You have controller for brightness, and if I go to settings, I can see various things like tire pressure switch, screensaver, auxiliary button, cell phone noise, touch sound effect, firmware version, and here we have option for volume, shortcut for the brightness, and directly go to home over here, and you can see right now it is showing 0.0 bar for the front and rear wheel. This is because the sensors are sitting idle right now. Once it is installed on the tire, it will start showing up the pressure over here. So I will connect my Android device and then I will show you how this performs. So this is the Apple device. So in order to connect the Apple device, I will click on CarPlay and switch to CarPlay mode on, and it says turn on Bluetooth on the device and search for C3 Plus. So this is the Bluetooth device. I will go to Bluetooth settings. I will check for C3 Plus. As you can see, C3 Plus is visible over here. I will click on connect, pair, allow, whatever permission it is asking, you need to allow everything. So our Bluetooth has been successfully connected and your phone's Wi-Fi should be on, and you can see the Android Auto and CarPlay screen over here. So here is the Google Maps. This is how it looks on full screen. If I want to go to calls menu, I can directly use these buttons. This is Apple Music, and if I want to go back, I'll click on this. So this is the menu option. So this is the same Apple CarPlay which you see for the four-wheelers as well. So this is how it works, and this is a wonderful device. Works very smoothly, and I can see the touch response is also great. You can see the battery percentage and everything over here. Now let's connect the Android device and see how it works. In order to connect the Android device, I will click on Android Auto, switch to Android Auto mode on, and again do the same on the Android device. Search for C3 Plus in Bluetooth, and then the device will do everything automatically. Please note, this is only once that you have to do it. You need not repeat it. Once the phone is paired, every time you switch on your motorcycle, this device will power on and it will automatically connect to your motorcycle. So as you guys can see, Android Auto is connected, and right now this is the Google Maps screen that you are seeing. If I want to go to the apps, I can click over here. These are all the apps that are there, and if I want to go to Spotify, I can click on this. This is the Spotify. Whatever music applications you are using, it will be available on this device. And let's suppose I want to navigate somewhere. I just have to use my phone. Let's say I search for something, Secunderabad railway station. I click on start and it starts showing over here, and you need not keep your mobile switched on. I can switch it off, and even after that this will still work. You don't have to keep your phone screen on. This will work even if your phone screen is switched off. Now the next question that you will have is why to purchase this device when you can go for a good quality phone mount, or you can mount a secondary device. You can obviously do all those things, but when you are on a long ride, mounting a phone is it is prone to dust, water, and also the camera stabilization goes off, and also because the phone has a battery, so it tends to heat up when the screen is on for a longer period of time. That's where these kind of devices comes handy. And if you don't want to purchase these devices, that is absolutely okay, but all I'm trying to say is once you start using these devices, you will understand the value it offers. Coming to the price of C3 Plus, MRP is 10,500 rupees on the official Aoocci website, but using my code PrakashSuraj25, you will get straight 25% discount, which will bring down the price to 7,800 rupees. Can you believe that? And please note, this 25% discount is applicable only till 10th of November, because this is the Diwali offer that is going on the Aoocci website. But if you are watching this video after 10th November, you can still get a 22% discount using my code PrakashSuraj. That will be applicable on all the products across Aoocci websites, which will give you 22% discount. And this particular discount code PrakashSuraj25 is applicable till 10th of November. Not only on this product, even this code is applicable on all the products on Aoocci website. So if you want to purchase the C6 Pro or the Aoocci BX, these are wonderful devices. If your budget allows, I would definitely recommend these devices, because I have been using these since a long time. But this device is for someone who is looking at an Android Auto and CarPlay device on a budget. So if you want to purchase this device, the link is available in the description section down below. You can go ahead and purchase. And also, if you want to, I could not show any ride reviews with this product in this video because my motorcycle already has the current device. It is a lot of hassle to remove all that and reinstall a new device, hence I did not show that. But you are rest assured this product will work as intended, because I have tested products from Aoocci. It is just that this does not have a dash cam. But if your requirement is a dash cam, go for the C6 or the Aoocci BX. And if you are on a budget, go for this, which is the C3 Plus, or go for the C3 Pro. Even that will cost you around 2000 rupees less, but it does not have the TPMS also. The C3 Plus has the TPMS. This is the only difference. So that's all about the Aoocci C3 series in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If yes, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. With that, I will sign off from this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.